So low a light back here. Winding down tonight.
We are truly blessed to be by the kai, the sea right at our doorstep, as well as the Moana, the vast ocean, reminding us to connect and reconnect with family and friends near and far, especially during this time of Ho'oilo, the winter month. Kaimana, the powerful sea. Ke kaimana o kahiki na mai, ka ho'oku ia ka lawai. Hau ole ke aloha, ke akua, kulua ka ua I ka pomahina. Ke kaimana o kahiki na, uliku ke aloha mai ka lani mai. Na ke akua e ho'o matani, pili ko aloha I o nei. Ke kaimana o kahiki na,
That's cool. Like I said, winding down the night. It's pretty dark back here. About to go on Monsters here in a minute. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Alright. Monsters Inc. Monsters Transit Authority. Alright, let's see what we got here. That looked gross. Somehow I've turned the, oh, there's the ride vehicle. Somehow I've turned the lock feature on this thing. I gotta figure that out. I don't know, I haven't used this thing in a long time. It feels good to be back in front of the camera.
Okay, rub it in.
Thank you.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
Made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed her with its giant.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Oh, it smells like a Chinese restaurant.
My home is out sweet, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You gotta get in charge. Spread out and lock it down.
Oh, damn. Those lights were bright.
Nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got Boo's door set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo. It's lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We spread out and lock them down. You all have to get decontaminated. We quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990.
Always watch.
Neither confirm nor
Moving
deny.
along, people. That's right. Nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go. We have everything under control now, so keep it moving. You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child.
Oh, let's go. Almost fell. All right, that was fun. Has thinned out a little. Well, in this area. The lights look cool though.